Ciao Tesla people, today another accessory, and it's going to be very interesting. So the guys from Tesery, they sent me two cabin filters, HEPA filters. So as you know, most of the Model Y have HEPA filters in the Frunk with the bioweapon system, but the cabin filter are normal filters, like every other car, okay? So now the car is two weeks, probably almost 3 weeks old. So I wouldn't need to change the filters because they're pretty new. But with HEPA filters, it's much better to have because cleaner air. And if you live in a city, it's much better. I live in Florence, which is kind of polluted. So I want to have cleaner air even in the cabin. So I checked a bunch of videos. There weren't too many for the Juniper. This is a Model Y Juniper Performance. There are none yet for that. So I'm assuming that this filter will work for this version of the Model Y Performance. What I saw, they are pretty similar. So I have a discount code for this guy. It's 10% off. I'm going to leave all the links in the description. And let's change it. So I have the filters here. Let me open it. Open. So they have basically a normal filter on one side, and then the carbon activated part on the other side. Okay, so this is the one that goes towards the cabin, the inside of the cabin. Okay, so very simple. Now from the videos that I checked, Juniper doesn't require tools. Let's hope not. I have some tools there because the other cars you need a screwdriver with the T-nuts and then some other stuff. I think normal screwdrivers too. But looks like that here the Tesla improved it. And then you have, for example, here you have the lights down here. You see my hand? And they're magnet. There's a small panel which is magnet locked. Okay, so I'm going to put my gloves on. Hopefully everything goes all right. I don't need other tools. I hope I don't need other tools. And then what we'll do, we'll remove this small panel, and then hopefully everything fits. And then we'll remove this panel here, and the filters are right here, one on top of the other. Okay, so very similar to the other Teslas. So let's remove the small panel, the lights right here. Actually, let me, yeah, no, they have to move. Okay, let's see. Yeah, and down here. Let me see, because I can't see it from here. Let me put you down here a second, and I'll point it up there. Sorry, so that I can check out. Okay. I shouldn't. Yeah. Okay, but I need. Maybe it would be cool to. There's a speaker here. It's very uncomfortable. Yeah. Okay, no, maybe the panel will come out. Let's see. Because the video from what I saw, they had to move a little bit this, and then they move the panel. Okay, so let's see if I can just move the panel. Okay, I remember correctly. There it is. Do not yank it super hard, because otherwise you break the pins. And oh, here. It's like this. Okay. Did I break it? No. Good. Okay. I want to see if it's possible for me to. Let me show you. So this blue clips. So they yank it too hard, and the filters are inside here. So they changed this guy. You see? Very cool. They did it. And the filters are right here. And if you check down here, that's the MCU, the computer. Okay, hopefully you can see it. Okay, so put it back there, and I'll show you. Let me put it right here so you can see. Hopefully I can remove these guys without moving too much stuff. Maybe not. Let me see. Yeah, I'm not sure. Maybe they change it. Yeah, I need to. Let's see. Oh, there it is. It's coming. Okay. So these are the paper filters here. There is one. You see? That's one. And then the other one comes from the bottom. You pull it up on top, and you extract it. There is the second one. Okay? That's it. Okay? Now, I'm wondering, because this paper, you can flex it a bit. So I'm wondering if I'm going to be able to do everything without breaking, because these are a bit rigid, of course. You see how they are? And we'll see if I'm able to install it without much effort. So there are two like this. The carbon goes on my side, on the front. So let's see if it works, okay? I'm gonna do it for the first time on the Model Y Performance, and there are no instruction anywhere. So let's hope that I don't have to remove anything. Okay, I'm pulling a bit further the. Okay, looks like there's not much space to maneuver. Looks like they're not the easiest to put. Oh yeah, okay. There is one. Let me hold by the tag, and that's it. I put one. There is. You see the white tag? So the filter is down here, where is my fingers. Unfortunately, here there is not much space, and there is the MCU right in the middle. And these filters do not flex much. You see? So it's a bit odd, but it should work. Okay, hopefully. And this guy want to keep the white tab down. and that's it. Hopla, nice, and they fit very snugly, which is good, and that's it. Put it back. Let me put back this guy. Nice, and now I have to put back this cover here. I think it's vertical. Actually, it's the opposite side. Let me show you. Here, let me show like this. So this guy goes up here. Oh, sorry, I dropped you. Yeah, that's it. No. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's it. Okay, very good. So this white part is the cap for the filters location. And now I have to pull back this cover here. Hopefully it fits everything. A bit of force. And yeah, looks good. The filters are here. The new ones are in. Hopefully everything is right. Let me push it just a little bit more so that I know that I can finish. Yeah, looks good. I think so. Looks good. Wow. So very easy. You don't need tools. I think there is some sorry, there is some dirt. There is some differences between this Model Y Performance and normal Model Y Juniper, because I saw a video where actually could fit much better, but the difference is that it was putting back filters like this, paper filters, so they can bend, okay? Those were a bit more rigid, of course, because they have the carbon activated filter, but everything went well. Now I have to put back the carpet. This is the original one from Tesla. It looks okay. Very good. Yeah, I can put it back here. That's it. So I'm very happy. Anyway, so now I have HEPA filters everywhere, in the frunk and in the cabin, which I'm very happy about it. These ones I will keep it because they're pretty new, just 2-3 weeks old. But if you want to buy these HEPA filters, I'm going to leave the link in the description. 10% off with the coupon code Ciao Tesla, and you can actually install them in every Tesla. I'm not sure if the new Model Y and Model 3 standard will use this kind of filters. Most likely they do. And they mentioned the Model Y standard doesn't have the bioweapon HEPA filter in the front. But if you put these filters, this HEPA filter in a cabin, you do have HEPA filters. So this valid for Model 3 and Model Y, even the normal ones, premium ones. So I did on my previous Model Y Performance too. I changed, I think that one after a year now, so I wanted to change it right away. So I'm all HEPA filtered air. Very cool. Anyway, check out all the links in the description. Thanks again to Tesery for sponsoring the video, and check out my Tesla referral. You find the links in the description if you want a discount. And please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, share it, comment, and I'll see you on next video. Ciao Tesla people.